morning student. Welcome to the online class. So children, in the previous session we have seen Muhammad Ghori and Muhammad Ghazni. Let's see Kutubuddin Aibak. After Ghori's death in AD 1206, Kutubuddin Aibak took over the Indian territory of Ghori and established the Mamluk or the slave dynasty. Aibak ruled till AD to 1210. He built mosque in Delhi and Ajmer. He started the construction of Qutub Minar, which was completed later by his successor Iltutmish. Kutubuddin Aibak was known as Laksh Baksh or giver of lakhs because of his generosity. Who had built Qutub Minar? Kutubuddin Aibak, and his successor was Iltutmish. Kutubuddin died in AD 1210 and his son Aram Shah became the ruler. He ruled for a very short time. It was Iltutmish, the slave and the son-in-law. He was the son-in-law of Iltutmish who finally ascended the throne. Not Iltutmish ascended the throne, but his son-in-law. He was a brave and shrewd ruler who suppressed internal revolts by the Turkish noble. He also subdued the ruler of Punjab and Multan and made them accept his sovereignty. He was crushed and revolt of the governor of Bengal and brought stability to the dynasty. He was the one who brought stability to the dynasty, refusing to give shelter to Shah of Persia, who was driven out by Mongol ruler Genghis Khan. Iltutmish avoided a possible Mongol invasion. After securing his position, Iltutmish went about consolidating his empire. He defeated the Rajput ruler and annexed Ujjain, Malwa and Gwalior. He was moving towards other parts of India. He then brought honor and prestige to Delhi Sultanate by getting himself appointed as the sovereign by the caliphs of Baghdad. He also issued coins of gold and silver. At his time, Iltutmish's time, gold and silver coins were introduced. His religious tolerance played an important role in uniting and consolidating the Delhi Sultanate. He ruled well and was rightfully known as the founder of the Muslim rule in India. He was the one who was the founder of Muslims in India. Razia Sultan. Iltutmish wished his daughter to be the next ruler, but the idea was rejected and his son succeeded the throne. He was a tyrant ruler and was soon murdered. Tyrant means he was not faithful and he was murdered. Razia, the daughter of Iltutmish, then became the next Sultan of Delhi. Razia Sultan became the next successor of Delhi. She was a skilled ruler, just and kind. However, she was not accepted or taken seriously by the officials of the court. The governor of province and other Mamluk officials, later known as the 40, rebelled against her. So she was not taken seriously. She was very just and kind ruler. She tried to surpass it and was partially successful when she managed to win over their leader and married him. However, they were both killed and the 40 put her younger brother in charge of the Sultanate and ruled in his name. The king died in AD 1266 and the tyrant and mismanagement of the 40 ended with him. So, tyrant means cruel and oppressive ruler. The Muslims at that time, when they became the ruler, they were tyrants. They were very cruel and oppressive. Ghiyasuddin Balban. Once a part of the 40, Balban was an excellent administrator and a brave commander. The 40, the people were grouped as 40 and from them there was a person called Balban and he was an excellent administrator who can manage everything well in the kingdom, and he was brave also. He was trusted by officials who did not rebel when he took over the Sultanate. Under him, there was many administrative reforms. He built roads for commerce and communication. He had a good network of spies to take care of internal revolts. So he was a very good person. He constructed roads and building, and he had good network of spies. Spies means the people who do uh, secret agents. So internal revolts. People were against him, so he had to have secret agents to look out for his life. Under his rule, the attack of Mongol failed, but Balban was able to provide stability and peace to the Sultanate. He ruled till AD 1287 AD, and after that the Mamluk dynasty came to an end, giving way to the Khalji dynasty. So children, here we have the end of this lesson, and the last one was Balban, who was a brave and good and administrative person who took over the dynasty and ruled it very well. So children, the Turkish invasion and establishment of Delhi Sultanate comes to an end. So children, please go through the video, try to understand. I have given you all the notes, question and answers. Please learn them and prepare it for your coming exam. Thank you children. We will see in the next video. Thank you. Till now.